It's MP, the Jamaican green face. And I don't believe in love no more. That shit's a fairy tale. Don't got time for it. Cause I don't believe in it no more. Never again will I believe in love. Girl, you show me no love. Girl, you show me no love. Never again will I believe in love. Girl, you show me no love. Girl, you show me no love. And every time I think I found the right girl, she breaks my heart. She tears it apart. So never again will I believe in love. Girl, you show me no love. Girl, you show me no love. And every time I think I found the right girl, she breaks my heart. She tears it apart. So I don't trust in these bitches, their words, they be fake like it made in China. These bitches got plastic face, plastic hearts, plastic vaginas. They got everything fake, it's from China. Their body it be designer, because it be fake like their heart. That's why they try to take mine apart. For some reason, this bitch it break my heart in any season for no reason. And I don't really care no more because I got my heart turned to black. And that's just a motherfucking fact. I don't believe in love no more. Last girl I dated put my heart on the floor and stomped on it. No, I got no feelings in my chest. I feel like I'm dead, I'm a zombie. The green face in the green Lamborghini. I fuck a bitch, grant her wishes that a genie. Yeah, but I don't believe in love no more. Never again will I say I love a bitch. I must be capping. Not because I'm singing songs, my nigga. Not because I'm rapping. I'm gonna say shit on a beat and not fucking mean it. My heart is cold like a fucking ice cube. You seen it? Never again will I believe in love. Girl, you show me no love. Girl, you show me no love. Never again will I believe in love. Girl, you show me no love. Girl, you show me no love. So, I gotta go. I'm moving fast, not slow. You better know you're the reason my heart is black, and that's a fact, bitch. I never forgot what you did to me. We were living a life of luxury, but you messed it up. Now I feel like filling up my cup of rum and just drink and smoke all day fucking long.